Today we're doing a would you rather or never have ever. Oh. What's good, Romeish? We back with another video. And yeah, today, you know what time it is. You see what's behind me? Yes, sir. This is part 2. I'm gonna put the old S10 in this corner right here, you feel me? So go check out that video. That was my very first, well, that was my second S10 if we're gonna be honest. At first I had a 1985, and then that S10 was like that S10 was more of a 96 or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. I have no clue. Clearly it's gone, so I really didn't have a care for it. But, you know, I finally got what I want. I got a extended cab, square body S10. The first S10 I had was a square body. I'm going to put that picture up as well. That mug cost me $500. I'm gonna be real with you guys. That first one, this black one you're gonna see, cost me $500. This next one you're gonna see cost me $2,500, and this one cost me $600. So yeah, I'll be finding these trucks for a deal. You feel me? I don't really pay all that 1,000 bands for these trucks, nothing like that. That's crazy. These trucks are 20 years old. You're not gonna catch me paying $1,000 for it. And this truck right here runs and drives, so you tripping. It got the V6 in it, all that whoop-de-woo. Here's a clip of it. All right, now since you just seen all that, you feel me? Rome Squad, I don't know where I'm going with this channel. Really, I'm just showing you guys my life for real. So if you want to watch that, if you want to stay, hey, stay. Make sure to click that comment. Make sure to subscribe. I mean, if you new to the channel for real, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna see this truck and you're gonna see the process of me building it for real, and you're gonna see me get better with this camera. For real, I'm tired of, you know, sitting in the house, you know what I'm saying, not having nothing to do. I'm gonna come out here and work on my truck now. I got something I can take care of, something I'm proud of, and just something I can be, you know, happy about. So I'm gonna go do this, and I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna take my time with it, and when I come out with this joint, it's gonna be right. I promise you guys. I promise you guys. Y'all gonna ask me what kind of engine option, whoop-de-woo, whoop-de-woo. I'm not gonna give that up just yet. I might even not give up too much information for real. You might just see the motor done for real, and that's it. Cause, you know, no time grudge racing, baby. You feel me? So I don't want, you know, let everybody know my business is woody woo. You know what I'm saying? But I'll give you some specs on the truck. But other than that, you gonna get the glimpse of me working on this truck, me finishing this truck in woody woo. Today, this video is just gonna be me cleaning it, kind of a before and after for real. Nothing too serious. So if you really clicked on this video because you support your boy, I appreciate you. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, well, since y'all seen the video running, now I just want to give y'all more of a close-up on just things I need to do. Clearly right here, first off the bat, I'm going to need a new grill. I'm going to need a new fender. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a project truck. It's going to have character, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to have to do some things. Clearly, I'm going to have to take this dent out. Next, I'm gonna have to fix that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna cut it all out. I'm gonna take a piece of cardboard. I'm gonna measure it up right. It shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna measure it up. You see where you see the little marks with my fingers. I'm gonna cut that out, and then yeah, and then I'm put a piece of cardboard in. And I'm gonna take it next to a sheet piece of sheet metal. Y'all gonna see it all for real. So, and I'm gonna do that. And the only reason why I bought this truck is, man, because it's extended cab. And look at that frame, bro. That frame, beautiful, bro. Nothing really. There's no major rust on it or rust at all for real. The frame is perfect. Then you know what I'm saying. Yeah. All this side good until we get right here. You know what I'm saying? So there's some more. Even right here, there's some more. So I'm probably gonna fix all that too. I'm saying probably I will. You feel me? And then, you know, shoot. Let me get right here. Yup. You can hear it. I'm about to do some cleaning today. It smells like donkey dew in here. Look, even that backlight work. Okay. It even got the little, hold up. I'm gonna get up in here. Hey guys. It got the little subs in here. It got the back sheets on both sides. And whatnot. Woody woo. You feel me? And the next thing you know, back here. Spare tire, woody woo, you know what I'm saying? I probably won't even use it, probably throw it away. Then, you know, some roofing. Then I'm about to clean this bed out right now. This is my first project, is cleaning this bed out. So, yeah. And I got the wheelbarrow over here, so, yeah. So, this is y'all before and after. So, let's get it. What's good? So, you know, I've been cleaning it for a minute now. I got this little device I'm ready to show y'all. Little Sun Joe. Little like electric power cleaner. It's not a power washer, but it's a little something just to clean the bed out right now. I know I'm gonna have to bring the gas power washer out. Not right now because it's very windy and it's not a good day to really do it. But I'm definitely gonna take the trash out from inside the interior as well, and that will be a good day with this truck for real. A good productive day and whatnot. But don't mind me, I'm looking rough, looking raggedy. But, you know, that's what you look like when you're doing something like this. But, hey, here's the bed of the truck, what it look like, and still to come. Oh, you heard? If y'all remember that joint, yeah. Yes, sir. You feel me? I got that joint. I'm still, you know what I'm saying? There's still some spots. I'm going to let it dry up a little bit. I need to charge this joint up again. Once I charge it up again, I'm going to really get at it. And I'm really just going to finish cleaning this bed. Whoop-de-woo. But this is what I've been using on the bed of the truck. This little joint, probably like 120. Get you one, because you could also, you don't need a water hose. It comes with a hose. You could just put it in a bucket and it do that too, for real. So get you one of these. I'm telling you, they tough. But other than that, y'all, man, I'm just very excited because, you know, I got to get window tint. I got to get new rain visors. Man, there's a whole lot of, but you feel me? But I already know what kind of motor I'm putting in this joint, and I already know what transmission. I already got the transmission. I just need to get it rebuilt. And the rims, already got the rims, but these are brand new tires. Oh, yeah, they came with brand new Hancock tires, bro. Look at that joint. New tread, everything. I'm not even gonna put the new rims on right away or nothing. I'm gonna probably definitely bleed the brakes, do all that whoop-de-woo. And yeah, I probably won't even have a speedometer in this muff, but I probably will, because if I'm going underneath this car and stuff, I'm gonna put that speedometer in. I'm just waiting for this weather to warm up for real. Other than that, I just, like, I probably, if I can catch one more warm day, like yesterday, we had like 70-degree weather, now it's like 50. If I could just catch one more, I swear, I'm gonna power wash the heck out of this truck. I'm gonna get it real good. I'm not doing nothing else that day. I don't care who hits my phone. I'm not doing nothing, yo. And yeah, I'm gonna get this truck real right. Because, man, I was looking last night. Man, these S10s are really, these extended cabs are beautiful when you clean them up, bro. And then once I level it, right now it looks lower because the straps are on it. But it sits up a little higher. I don't really care, but I'm gonna put some lowering blocks on it. I'm gonna lower it. That way I get better traction, and it's just better, smoother ride and whatnot. And yeah, and then during the winter time, I'm definitely putting like weight in the back so I don't slide around a whole lot and whatnot. So yeah, or even now for real, because yeah. But this, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna get right with it. All right, I'm back again. I wish I brought my tripod out here so y'all could see me actually do this a little more, but it's very cold, it's very windy, so I already know the tripod was gonna fall over. Today's my day off, so you know what I'm saying, I wanted to get a little something done. I just want to be a little productive. It's still early. But to be real with you guys, so I got as much trash as I can get out of the truck. Next is just need vacuuming. For real, once I power wash this truck, once it's a nice warmer day, no wind, I'ma power wash it. I'm gonna take it off the trailer. Then I'm gonna take the seats out. Then I'm gonna vacuum the truck real good. Then I'm gonna get a bucket, some water, some soap. Then I'm gonna wipe down everything. I'm gonna wipe it down as best as I possibly can. Leave the doors open, let that old, old truck smell get out. And then just clean it, just detail it as best as possible. And then once I do that, once the truck is all cleaned up, then I'm gonna start going at it. That's why I'm gonna take the motor out. That's why I'm gonna start doing cosmetics, stuff like that. But my goal for this truck, hopefully, it depends on how quick it gets warm here. If it gets warm in the next month, then I guarantee you it'll take me 2 months to have this truck out. But if not, you know what I'm saying, it just depends on how warm it gets, because I don't want to be out here when it's super cold, because you can get sick and I need to go to work, you feel me, and get this bread. But I'm gonna show y'all what I did and how it turned out. And then yeah. All right, so guys, here's the bed of the truck now. You know what I'm saying, a little song. Did the best I could. Got all the excess water out, you know what I'm saying. I still need to take the other power washer and just, really do that, you know what I'm saying. I don't know if this truck was gray or that's the primer underneath and then it was blue, but yeah, it probably was. But to be honest with you, I'm not painting this truck when I first come out. It's going to be just like it is. It's going to look raggedy and you're going to think it's slow. It's going to be a sleeper. But that's that so far. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Then I washed this joint. I washed this. I got some leaves already on it. Oh well, ain't tripping. All right, and then now we're gonna go inside the truck. All right, found an oil filter, y'all. Oil filter, man, big old machete underneath the seat. But guys, look at this. For $600, it came with the owner's manual, bro. That is a gem. You do not get these trucks with the owner manual in them. OG truck manual, bro. Man, that's different, bro. Actually, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, and then I just got all the trash out. Got the trash out the center console. Folded the seats up. But y'all see that back there? Those are subs. I'm gonna make them better. The radio right here, but so the speakers get loud. They get louder than that. So what I'm gonna do is when I get really ready to come out, I'm gonna upgrade them speakers in the back. I'm gonna upgrade either the speakers in the door, I believe, or on wherever the other speakers are. I'm gonna upgrade those, and then I'm gonna upgrade the speakers in the back, and then yeah. But other than that, this truck got it got good room in it. It's gonna be comfortable. When I go cruising, I'm gonna hit the highways with it, whatnot. Just go cruising on the weekends, have fun. But yeah, so I mean, that's the first step to doing this truck, was just cleaning it out, get the trash out. Next is just waiting for a warm day, vacuuming it out and whatnot, whoop-de-whoop. And guess what, guys? Guess what? This truck still amazes me. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it got, bro. Stop playing, bro. Then look. Oh my gosh, bro. This joint is a 92, bro. Stop playing, bro. I really found a gem here. I really believe so. But yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood in the next video for you guys. So stay tuned for that. For real. Just remember, comment, like, share, subscribe. This is just a little mini vlog, so I appreciate you for watching it and sticking it through with me. And yeah, stay tuned. Hey, Pick Boys, we coming.